Dad and I have something to tell. Dad and I have something to tell you guys.
You know we love you very much, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I
You
don't
know
want
what
you
else?
to be mad.
But we love something else besides you guys too. We love chocolate and we love candy.
Yeah. I want to help you.
We ate your candy last night after you guys went to bed.
Didn't.
We did. We ate your Halloween candy that you guys went trick-or-treating for.
Every piece.
You did.
We couldn't help ourselves.
No, you didn't.
There's no candy left. There's no chocolate.
Yeah, you forced it. If you're talking like that, I know you're.
I'm sorry, honey.
You did not eat all the candy.
Yeah?
I did.
And you eat the dad. No,
It was delicious.
It was so
you
yummy.
didn't. No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Do you see your candy anywhere?
Yes, I do. It's over there. I know it.
Over where?
Over here. I see a green bowl.
There's nothing in it because we ate it.